Okay, let's do this. Let's get one more done. Pattern focus is where we're going. Oops. Come on. Lada. Lada is a very organic tangle. Look at this really super cool artwork. Isn't that beautiful? Just stunning. Stunning. Artwork is probably done by the same person with the Step Out, Irina Sadova. Beautiful, beautiful work. So there's some variations of what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is start with this curve up to like a point and then come down, and make a loop. And then we're going to mimic this shape, come up, come down, and make a loop. And make as many of those up, down, and make a loop. Make as many of those as you want. And when you're all finished, you can make this last one and then come back this way. Make like a stem. Okay? But look at the different variations depending on what shape we make our things. We can make them tall and skinny. We can make them round. We can make them leaf shape. We can make them heart shape. Really cool, huh? So I'm just going to draw some sort of shape that suits my fancy. And I'm going to do it on a bookmark and see what happens. So let's turn on a light. So I'm going to kind of, I think I'm going to start here and work my way this way with the shape. I'm going to give myself a little bit of a line there. So I have a shape to kind of follow as I start. And I kind of like the, I don't know, do I want to do that leaf shape? I guess so. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to come up and I'm going to do this kind of a leaf shape and I'm going to come down and I'm going to make a loop. I'm not too happy with that shape, but that's okay. That's what happened. Up and down and make a loop. Come up and down and make a loop. Come up and down and make a loop. 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 And go up and down and make a loop. And all the way over to the edge, like that. Okay, that's different. It's definitely different. I think I like this better than up here. So in this area, I may choose to get a little bit closer up in there. Like that. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, now it's just a matter of shading and then we'll be done. This is going to be a super simple one. I could choose to maybe make a shape here. Give it a little more interest. There we go. Just added those little loops on the top. I'm going to get rid of this little line I drew. And I'm going to make sure that it's got plenty of dark right here where they overlap. Already see that shape coming out when just putting the pencil. It'll get even better when you use the stump. I'm going to do a little bit underneath this little loop, and then I think I want it on this side of this loop as well. Okay, blendy time. And then we'll put the highlights with the white, and that'll really just give it a life. I think I want to put a dark here, just kind of a floating shadow here to ground this. Like that. Not a very good signature. My pen went funky on me, but that's all right. There you go. That's super easy. You can do this. You guys absolutely can do this. You know that, right? You can absolutely do this. do a little bit more dark in there for some reason. It wants to make sure you know that that's got that loop. I don't think the pencil is doing it. I want it really dark. There we go. Even better. Some sort of interesting shape. Lada is the name of this pattern. And it's kind of cool. Alright, you guys have a great day. This didn't take very long. Super simple. You can do it. Do something nice for someone today so that you can make the world a better place. One person at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye.